Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your digital marketing budget with AdRoll step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current digital marketing budget. Identify key areas where you want to allocate funds. Research different advertising platforms to determine which will align with your goals. Select AdRoll as your preferred platform for its diverse features and audience reach. Create a free account on the AdRoll website. Fill in your business details, ensuring accuracy for effective targeting. Set your marketing objectives within the AdRoll dashboard. Choose your desired campaign type, such as display ads, retargeting, or social media. Implement tracking tools by integrating AdRoll's code into your website. Make sure your website is optimized for conversions to maximize your budget's effectiveness. Design engaging ad creatives that resonate with your audience. Set your budget limits within AdRoll to avoid overspending. Utilize AdRoll's targeting features to reach the right demographics. Analyze historical data to inform your budget allocation decisions. Monitor performance metrics regularly through the AdRoll dashboard. Adjust your campaigns as needed based on real-time performance insights. Consider utilizing A/B testing to optimize ad performance. Review budget spend weekly to ensure alignment with your goals. Explore any additional features AdRoll offers that may enhance your campaigns. Stay updated on digital marketing trends to adjust your strategy effectively. Finally, evaluate the overall effectiveness of your digital marketing budget periodically. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.